Yo, what is up, it's Gab, and in this video we will be unboxing and test the new Dji Ronin SC2 Pro Combo and compare it to the standard package. So inside the first layer of this bag, you will have all the accessories. You will have the focus motor, the phone holder, image transmitter, focus gear strip, focus motor rod mount kit, mini HDMI to micro HDMI cable, and all types of USB cables. Do you know how hard it is to pronounce all the cables inside this kit? You also have this protective foam, so you know your package is well protected inside the bag. You also get an Allen wrench and M4 screw in case you need it. And the following items, which are included both in the standard edition and the Pro Combo package, you will get the extended grip, lens support, camera riser, 2 extra D-ring mounting screw, and lastly the USB cables for your cameras. Inside the second layer, you will find your Dji Ronin SC2, which is protected by the foam. Again, you can remove this after unboxing your very first Dji RSC2. A little side comment, this is my very first mirrorless gimbal, and I tried gimbals from my friends like the Weebill S, but first time opening this gimbal, I am very impressed how small this package fit inside this tiny gimbal bag. Also, this gimbal is designed for mirrorless cameras. It can hold up to 3 kilograms of payload, meaning if you have a full-frame DSLR like this 5D Mark II, you can mount it on the gimbal without any problem as long as it doesn't surpass the said payload of 3 kilograms. And for my tiny Canon M50, this gimbal handles it like it's nothing. You have this axis lock on each motor, so it is very convenient to balance your cameras. You also have this underslung mode where you can fold your gimbal and attach your extended grip on the hidden 1/4 inch mount. For the first time, I didn't know until my friend Adrian told me that this has a hidden feature, which is the underslung mode. You have the 1-inch OLED screen, although it is not touchscreen like the RS2, but way better than the previous generation Ronin SC, which doesn't even come with a screen. USB Type-C charging port that supports fast charging. You know how I love USB Type-C. For the battery, it has 4,280 milliamp hour battery capacity, which we'll talk about that more later in the real-world test. Definitely stronger motors compared to the previous SC. All these features without testing, it is nothing but a store display. So I used this RSC2 and test it in the real-world production shoots twice. The shutter speed,
You lower the shutter speed?
lower a bit, tapos konting bilis sa in-post.
Parang
Light painting sa tanghali?
Hindi, mamaya, gabi.
Gabi. Okay. Medyo duda kaming lahat eh.
Naka-timer.
Eto, set mo na sa kanya.
Hindi, mga
Saan ka ba lalagay ito?
Saan ka sasakay?
Timer mo yung pag-timer.
Kung saan ka sasakay?
Saan ka?
Sa BRZ.
Baka po.
Kayang pumorma nung 86. Oh, 2 lanes. Yan. Okay.
Wala akong kuha dito.
Nagpasin ko lang yung mga motor. Sige, palapitin mo yung dalawa. Ngayon na.
Okay, lapit. Kaliwa.
Pagliko, dire-diretso na ba? I don't baby this gimbal during the test. And when shooting videos like that, you really need a strong motors to keep your gimbal balanced during a high gravity force pull. Despite the tough challenges I did with this RSC2, I am impressed it handled like it was walking in the park. Though I haven't used the focus pulling feature because for now I don't use a cinema lens and I rely on Canon's dual pixel autofocus. The battery only consumed 30% for the whole shoot, so I still have plenty battery power left. I wouldn't worry about not charging it, or if I have another shoot the next day, this gimbal can last till the job is done. And since this supports fast charging, if you are in a rush, just charge it for like 15 to 30 minutes and I can rest assure you it will last for like half day before the battery completely run out. So summarizing this gimbal before ending this video, for 28 to 29,000 pesos. Prices may vary depending on the store, but for around 29,000 pesos, it needs to answer one question. Is this worth the price? I say it is. I say it is very worth it. The DJI image transmitter alone here is worth more than what you get and what you paid for, so I would highly recommend getting the Pro package if you have the budget, so you won't have to upgrade in the future that may cost more than what you will pay for just to get the image transmitter and focus pulling package. I would like to let everybody know that this is not sponsored by DJI. Actually, this is a graduation gift from my parents. I would like to thank them for supporting me as a content creator and my passion to be a small director. But if you are a company that makes camera accessories, feel free to email me at galanigab and let's create something. I would also like to thank my friends and team, Adrian and Melvin, for taking some behind the scenes of the car shoot. So I'm gonna end my video here, and if you have any questions about this gimbal, feel free to comment down below. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing and travel contents. And again, this is Gab, and you're now watching galanigab.
All this time, di pa na nagre-record. Hawak ako pag nakaganito ako, hindi nagre-record.